This is Dr. Manuel Waldmeyer from Kassel, Germany talking to you. I'm happy to invite you to my online lecture on CBCT, What's New? As you may know, during the last couple of years, a whole lot of new technologies have appeared for us dentists for the enhancement of the CBCT usage in our dental offices. So my lecture will topic some of these new exciting programs. So we're going to talk about the upper airway analyst options in CBCTs. We're going to talk and discuss the low-dose technologies and how we can achieve them and use them in our daily use. And we're going to talk about some new and exciting programs such as the RTGate software from Megagen to enhance our implant planning. So please join me at my lecture. I'm happy to invite you to the lecture for free and see you online.